वेलकम टू भारत मार्ग। हमारा साथ नवीन भार्गवा जी हैं, उनके लिए भी बहुत बहुत स्वागत। वेलकम। ही इज एमडी ऑफ आर्यन वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स प्रोग्राम। दोस्तों, दिस इज वन ऑफ द फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग franchise in the world of Vedic mathematics. Okay, if you don't know, you will know about it. And he is very gracious enough to take his time हमें आके इधर सिखाने के लिए। इसलिए आप इनका टाइम बहुत आदर से लें और कोई भी सवाल है तो पूछें। और इसके पहले दोस्तों, चालू करने के पहले हमारा पहला वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स का जो चैलेंज है उसको आपने हम लगा दिए। ओके, हमारा टेलीग्राम में भी आपको मिलेगा। इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस, किधर जाना है, कैसा लेना है, you can send us a WhatsApp too. Here is our WhatsApp number. Okay, you can see here. This is for free Vedic mathematics. Okay, and you can contact us by WhatsApp also. Okay, but before going further, before inviting Naveen Bhargava ji, please make sure to like the video, comment on the video, share the video with as many people friends, क्योंकि आपके द्वारा ही हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को पहुंच पाएंगे और हमारा जो धर्म प्रचार है उसको हम कर पाएंगे। इसमें हमें मदद करें। और दोस्तों, अगर अभी तक आप सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू अवर चैनल भारत मार्ग एंड आल्सो प्रेस द नोटिफिकेशन बेल to stay connected, दोस्तों. Okay, and we send out one dharmic message every day, and we are also taking you to a lot of pilgrimage. Okay, जो भी आपको हमारा सर्विस जहां भी चाहिए आप हमें संपर्क कर सकते हैं और हमें समर्थन कर सकते हैं. You can support us by sharing this video and also by contributing at bharatmarg.com/donate now, and also by sending a WhatsApp to this WhatsApp number, okay, given here. Okay, Naveen Bhargava ji, welcome. We are so excited. Multiplication इतना आसान भी हो सकता है क्या?
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
जो
स्पीड है ये आप अचीव कर सकते हैं, जिसमें आप कैलकुलेटर से भी इस स्पीड को आप चेस नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं सेशन. Initially we will start multiplication by 11. इसमें आप देखेंगे कि कुछ नंबर्स तो इतना फास्ट करते हैं कि आप कैलकुलेटर पे जितनी देर में टाइप करते हैं उतनी देर में हमारा आंसर आ जाता है. ठीक है, तो लेट अस सी. Let us start with small number. Say 38 into 11. Now here you have no need to multiply this number. Only what you have to do, first of all, copy the first digit, that is 8. Then add these two digits, 8 plus 3, that is 11, and 1 is carry. And thereafter the last digit, which is 3, and 1 was carry. So here is the answer, 418. This method is applicable to all the cases when you have to multiply any 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, any number of digit by 11. Let us take 1-2 more examples so it will be more clear. 3, 6, 4, 2, 5 into 11. So when you will be perfect with this method, you can write answer from right side as well as from left side. Even I will give you a chance that you give me any 2 digit, 3 digit, 5 digit, 8 digit, 10 digit, any number of digit of number, and I will write answer within a line. Just I am going to show you how fast you can do. I am just writing its answer. This is the answer. Now how to do this? I am going to show you the procedure also. So as I told you, first of all we have to take one digit, then digits in pair. This pair, then the next pair, then next pair, then next pair. And when the no digit will be left to take pair, then a single digit. So we have to start with one digit, that is 5. Then sum of 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then next 2 means 4 plus 2, which is 6. Now 6 plus 4, 10. So 0 over here and 1 carry. Then next 2 is 6 plus 3, 9. And 1 was carry, so it become 10. And in the last, now there is no पेयर एग्जिस्ट जो इसके आगे आप अगर आप इसको देखते हैं 36 के बाद यहाँ पे कोई भी नंबर नहीं है. So since I told you कि we will start from 1 and we will end also with 1. So last digit also you have to take 3 and 1 was carry. So it become 4. What I have written earlier. Let us take a few more examples. Now see, in both of these questions, first of all we have to pick the first digit, which is 2. This is the extremely right side digit. And then start making pair. 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. And in the last, single digit 4. So we have to start with a single digit. Then you have to take pairs. And in the last, also you have to finish with single digit number. So the same rule we will apply here. So first of all, we will copy 5. Then we will write sum of these pair. So 5 and 1 is 6. 7 and 1 is 8. 7 and 2 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8. And in the last, single digit, which is 6. So whenever and whatever carry you will get in between any step, that will be added to the next digit. I am showing 1-2 more example where these carries will come. Even you have seen over here also 6 plus 4 was 10. So 0 I have written here and 1 was carry. In the same way. So when carry is not there, then it is very simple. You can write from right side as well as from left side. So let us take one more example where I will write answer from left side. Two, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3 into 11. Now we can write answer from this side also. First of all, one digit, that is 2. Then sum 5, 7, 9, 9, 7, and in the last single digit 3. Here is the answer. So you can see how simply we can write all this with the help of this method. Now let us take 2 more example, and this time I am going to write answer from right side. 6, 2, 4, 5, 8 into 11. Now here you can see, when you first of all you have to write the first digit, which is 8. Thereafter sum of 2 digit, so which is 13, 1 carry. Then next 2 digit 5 and 4 is 9 and 1 was carry, so it is 10. Again next 2 digit 4 and 2 6, 1 carry, so it become 7. Again 6 plus 2 is 8. And in the last, when we finish this, we will take a single digit, extremely left digit, which is 6, and there is no carry, so we will write as it is. I think now this method will be clear how you have to do. And once I will show you the same question when you want to multiply this by triple 1. So when there would be 4 1, you can also easily understand what you have to do, what process we have to carry out. You will get some worksheets from sir, so you can practice, because practice makes a man perfect. So once you will do 10, 12 question, you will feel that you are getting perfection. So now let us multiply the next digit, like multiplication by triple 1. You will see we were using the similar pattern over here. 36,421 into triple one. Since there were 2 1 in the earlier question, so we were taking a maximum of 2 digit at a time. We have started from 1, then 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit, and last also we will take 1 digit. In this question, first of all we will take 1 digit, then 2 digit, then 3 digit, then 333, because there are 3 times 1. So maximum we have to take 3 digits, and then again in the last, after 3 2 digit, then 1 digit. So let us start. First of all, first digit, which is 1, then sum of 2 digits, so 2 plus 1 is 3. Again, next step, sum of 3 digits, so 4 2 6 and 1 7. Now we have arrived to the maximum number of digits which we can take in this case, which is 3. So now the next 3. Next 3 is 6 4 10 to 12. So 2 and 1 carry. You may write down the carry over here, or later on you can keep it in your mind. So now again the next 3 digit. So that would be 6 4 10 and 3 13, and 1 was carry. So it become 14. Now we have reached towards the end. So after 3, again we will take in descending order. So after 3 we have to take 2 digits. So 6 plus 3 is 9, and then single digit, and 1 was carry. Yeah, see, the previous step was 6 3 9 and 4 13, and 1 was carry, so it was 14. So 1 carry over here. Then again 6 plus 3 9 and 1 10. Again 1 carry, and in the last step 3 single digit, and then plus 1 4. This is the answer. So this method is very easy. Anyone can do this question with 100% accuracy and in very short time. So we have so many of this kind of method, out of which today we are covering multiplication by 11, triple one, and a series of 9. Just like if you want to multiply 3 6 4 5 into double nine double nine, this answer you can calculate orally. This also you will learn. The answer would be 3 6 4 4 6 3 5 5. At this speed you can write. And see, I have written from left to right. So this is the beauty of Vedic mathematics, that most of the question you can solve from left to right and right to left. From both sides you can multiply. So this we will show on a quite later stage. So let us take 2 3 more example based on triple one. 2 1 3 4 1 2 into triple one. Or let us take a quite smaller number, 3 4 1 2. Then we will move towards bigger number. So first of all, 1 digit, which is 2. Then sum of 2, so 3. Then sum of these 3 digits, so 4 1 5 and 2 7. Then next 3, 4 1 5 and 3 8. Then now there is no next digit is available, so that we can make a group of 3 numbers. So what will we do now? Now we will take 2 digits. 4 plus 3 is 7, and in the last single digit, which is 3. Let us take one more example. 2 1 3 5 0 4 2 into 11. Now say this is a 7-digit number multiplied by triple one. Again we will use the same rule. First of all, 1 digit, which is 2. Then sum of 2 digits, so 4 plus 2 is 6. Then sum of 3 digits. At a time we can take maximum of 3 digits. So 4 plus 2 plus 0 is 6 itself. Again next 3 digits, so next 3 would be this 4 0 and 5. So their sum is 9. Again next 3 digits, so 0 5 and 3, which is 8. Again next 3 digit, 5 3 8 and 1 9. Again next 3 digit, 3 1 4 and 2 6. After reaching to the last group of 3, then again we will take 2 digit and then a single digit. So sum of last two digit is 2 plus 1 3, then single digit 2. So this is your answer. You can read it as ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1,000,000, 10,000,000, 100,000,000. So this is 236,989,662. You can see it's a 9-digit number. So the length and breadth doesn't matter when you are using Vedic mathematics. So let us take one more example, then we will move to the next method. Four seven six two five into triple one. Again, first of all, one digit, so it is 5. Then sum of two digits, so 5 plus 2 is 7. Then sum of three digits, so 7 plus 6 is 13. Now one carry. It's better to write down the carry on just down of this number, so that you can remember that now we have to add 1. But after practice, you can keep it in your mind. So after reaching to the three digit, now next three digits. So 7, 6 and 2, which is 15. And 1 was carry. So it is 16. Again 1 carry. Now again next three digit. So it is 17. 17 plus 1 carry. So it comes 18. Again 1 carry. Then now we cannot take next three digit because there is no digit over here. So now what will we do? Now we will take two digits. So 7 plus 4 is 11 and 1 carry. So it comes 12. Again 1 carry. And in the last single digit 4 and 1 was carry. So it is 5. So here you can see your answer. 5, 2, 8, 6, 3, 7, 5. So using this multiplication by 11 and multiplication by triple one. Now if there would be 4 times 1, you can easily guess what we have to do. First of all, 1 digit, then 2 digit, then 3, then 4. Because there are 4 times 1. I have not written here, but whenever you have to multiply it by 4 times 1. So you have to use the same pattern. What we are doing, 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, then 4 digit, then next 4, and then again in reverse order 3, 2, and 1. So let us take one last example based on triple one, so that if there would be any doubt, you can easily sort it out. So let us start one digit, so 3, two digits, so 5, three digits, so again 5, next three digit is 8, next three digit is again 8, next three digit is 12, so 1 carry, next two digit is 4, 2, 6, and 1 was carry, so 7, and in the last 4, so 4 will remain as it is because there was no carry. So this was all about multiplication by a series of 1, like 11, triple one, and the same rule you can use for 4 times 1 also, 4 times 5 times 1. I hope these two methods will be clear. So now we will move towards the next method, which is multiplication by 9. 9 or double 9, triple 9. Even I would like to show you one more question. Even if the sum of these two digits is that is based on multiplication by 11, when sum of two digits is less than 10, then you can write answer at quite uh, faster speed, even faster than a calculator. I will show you how. Suppose that we want to multiply with few numbers like 34 into 11, 63 into 11, 44 into 11, 27 into 11, 32 into 11, 61 into 11. Now see, what you have to do in all these questions, here the answer would be 374693484297352671. How can you solve this much fast? Because what you have to do, 34 you have to write as it is, and their sum 4 plus 3 7, that you have to keep in the middle. So orally you can assume 6 and 3 are the extremely left and right digit number, and their sum, that is 9, would be in the middle. So how can we read this? 6, then their sum 9 and 3. So answer would be 693. Again here their sum is 8. So when 8 will fall in between 4 and 4, so it will become 484. Again sum of 2 and 9, 2 and 7 in the middle. So this will become 297, because sum of 2 and 7 is 9. Only this number you have to write in the middle. That's it. So this would be 352, this would be 671. Only we take time, whatever we take in writing all these numbers. Otherwise, within fraction of a second, you can assume what is your answer. Say 33 into 11, 363. Means by just looking at the number, you can say what is the answer. 3 as it is, this 3 as it is, and their sum 6 in the middle. So answer is 363. Now we will move towards multiplication by 9, series of 9. So let us multiply this first number by 9. First of all, I will show you the basic what method we are going to apply over here. We have shown a method in the previous classes. The method name was Nikhilam. Nikhilam means all from 9 and the last from 10. Its meaning is all from 9. So what we have to do with all numbers, you have to subtract all numbers from 9 and the last from 10. Last one you have to subtract from 10. So first of all, we will use the principles of this Nikhilam method, which is all from 9 and last from 10. And later on, I will show you that you can solve even much faster than that particular method. This you can easily understand. Now see, what we are going to do, say we are taking a number 234 into 99. Say you have to multiply this 234 times 99. It seems quite difficult how to solve this. So one of the method is Nikhilam. Nikhilam means all from 9 and last from 10. Means all numbers you have to subtract from 9. So this 2 we will subtract from 9, we will get 7. 3 we will subtract from 9, we will get 6. And last one we have to subtract from 10. As I have written here, all from 9 and the last from 10. So when we subtract this from 10, we will get 6. Similarly here, all from 9, last from 10. So it comes 0, 1. Now, since it is less than 100, so this is less than 1000, so we have to put a negative sign. If it is more, basically this method we use when numbers are closer to 10, 100,000 or 10,000. So now what would be the answer? First of all, you have to multiply these two numbers, 766 into 1. So that is 766. And then you have to cross subtract 234 minus 1. Crosswise you have to subtract. Or you can also do this 766 minus 99. Oh, sorry. These are the two numbers which we need to subtract. Okay. Just a moment. See, I am showing you the basics. So basically we will start from here only. Later on we will come to the another method. Now first of all you have to count how many nines are there. There are 2 nines. So basically we will take two digits from here and third digit we will circle out. So here we are using Ekadikena and Nikhilam. So first of all, now this number is divided into two parts. So in the first part, we have to use Ekadikena. Ekadikena means one more. So what is one more than two? It is three. So basically we have to subtract three from this number. So 234 minus 3 is 231. This is half part of answer. For the remaining half, we have to apply all from 9 and the last from 10. So I told you we have divided this in two parts. In first part, we are using Ekadikena. That is, you have to take one, the next number, the successor of 2, which is 3, one more than 2. And in the remaining part, you have to apply Nikhilam. Nikhilam means all from 9 and last from 10. So here this 3 we have to subtract from 9 and 4 we have to subtract from 10. So after 231 we will subtract this from 9, we will get 6, and this from 10. So we will again get 6. So 234 multiplied by 99 is 23166. Actually I have written this horizontally, whereas you will easily understand when we will write it vertically. But it also doesn't matter. You can solve in any way. Let me show you one more question. Or let us take the same number. I think I have taken 234. Actually, I don't remember. Okay. Now, in the previous question, we were multiplying it by 2 times 9. Now, we are multiplying by 1 times 9. So, since one digit is here, so we will leave just one digit, and the remaining digit we will put in circle. Now, again, there are two parts. In one part, this part, we have to apply Ekadikena. So what is one more than 23? This is 24. So basically the successor of this number you have to subtract from this whole number. So we will get 210. And then in the outer digit, outer this circle, we have to apply Nikhilam. So since this is the only digit, single digit, so this is the last digit. So this we have to subtract from 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6. So this is the answer. Now let us take now quite bigger number. 2, 3, 7, 6, 8 multiplied by 999. Now again see how many 9s are there? 1, 2 and 3. So just select 3 digits 1, 2 and 3. And remaining you have to put in circle. Again the successor of 23 is 24. So you just subtract this 24 from this whole number. So it will become 2, 3, 7, 4, 4. And thereafter, in the outside digits, outside this circle, here we have to apply Nikhilam. Nikhilam means these two numbers we need to subtract from 9 and the last one from 10. So 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 10 minus 8 is 2. So this is the answer. Any of these answer you can cross verify using calculator or even now calculator are there in your mobile phone. So you can easily check all these answer would be right. So using Vedic maths there is very less chance of having your sum wrong. Even you can say we have no chance of getting a wrong answer. Because in a later stage I will show you we have a cross verification method also. Whatever sum you have done, you can verify by yourself. And not only these questions, any question, all these arithmetic, all the algebra related question, whether it is linear equation in one variable, linear equation in two variable, factorization, means right from the addition, subtraction, multiplication, which is widely used in grade 3rd onward, till the quadratic equation or integration that is asked in grade 10th or above. All these questions you can make simple with the help of Vedic maths. I will show you a few more examples so that will make your concept quite more clear. Okay. So now 37649 multiplied by 999. Again there are 3 nines. So just leave 3 digits and remaining digit you have to put in circle. Now you have to take successor of this number, successor. So successor of 37 is 38, which you have to subtract from this whole number 37649 minus 38. So it comes 37611. And thereafter Nikhilam over here. Nikhilam means all from 9 and last from 10. So this is the last one. Remaining 2 we have to subtract separately from 9. So 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 10 minus 9 is 1. This is your answer. And here number of digit doesn't matter. Now suppose that this number ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million. This much of bigger number, say you have to multiply by 4 times 9 or say 5 times 9, any number of 9s. So what you have to do, there are 5 nines, so just leave the 5 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining digit you have to put in circle. And after this, you have to subtract the successor of this number, which is 377. Now you can subtract, you will get your answer. So subtraction already we have discussed in the previous class. So now the answer would be 376,109,74. Once again, I will explain you how I am subtracting. 7 we cannot subtract, so we will call the friend. Friend of 7 is 3. I told you any two number whose sum is 10 are called friend. So friend of 7 is 3, so that 3 we have to add over here. It will become 4. And when a number is having dot means one more than this number. So this is now 8. 8 again we cannot subtract, so call the friend. Friend of 8 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. Now this become 4. Again we cannot subtract 4 from 3. So again we will call the friend. Friend of 4 is 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Now this, there is no number, so it is 0. So 0 dot means 1 more than 0. So which is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. And there is no number to subtract from here. So this 1637, 1673, this we will copy as it is. So you can see this is very effective method. Even when 9 will be equal or more, then it will be quite more striking. Then your speed will be double than what we are doing over here. So I am coming to that part also. Before it, let us solve 2 more example. 25687 into 999. So 3 nines. So just leave 3 digit 25 in the circle. Now you have to take its successor, which is 26. So what will be the half part of answer? 25661. And thereafter you have to apply here Nikhilam method. All from 9 and the last from 10. So 313. This from 9. So 9 minus 6 is 3. This from 9. So 9 minus 8 is 1. And last one from 10. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Now suppose that this number we need to multiply it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 9. So just 6 times 9 are there. So just select 6 digit from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is left over? 23. So basically we have to subtract 24 from here. Now subtraction already we have done in the previous classes. So I am directly going to write the answer. So this would be 2, 3, 6, 6, 1, 2, 8, 9. So this is half part of answer, and for the remaining part, remaining these digits, we have to apply Nikhilam. Nikhilam means all from 9 and the last from 10. So start subtracting all these numbers from 9 except this one which we have to subtract from 10. So this will be 3, 3, 8, 6, 8, 7. This is the answer. I hope you will like this method. This I can guarantee if you have a calculator. The time in which you will type these 5 digits, then multiplication sign, then again 3 times 9, then again is equal to sign, and then this answer will come. So first of all you will read 2 or 3 or 4 digits at a time. Then you will start writing. Whereas in Vedic math, by just looking at this number, successor of remaining, and then we will subtract straight away, we will get our answer. Now I will show you here in all these cases you have seen that 9 was lesser than here number of digits. Just like here number of digits was 5 whereas 9 were less. It was 3 only. Here number of digits were 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9 was 6 only. So now the second its method, when nines are equal, we will see then what we have to do. First of all, I will show you the correlation, that how we are arrived to that method, which is even far better and faster than the previous one. When nines are equal. Now suppose that you have to multiply 3, 4, 5 into 999. So first of all, we will discuss what we were doing in the previous question. There are 3 nines. So 3 digit we will leave over here. So what is the extra digit? There is no digit. So we can assume 0 is there. So there are 3 nines. So 3 digit here we will take, and the extra digit which may assume 0. So 0 we will put in circle. So now what you have to do? You have to subtract the successor of this number, and in the remaining digit you have to apply the Nikhilam method. So successor of 0 is always 1. So we will subtract 1 from here. This will become 344. Now again in the outer digit we have to apply Nikhilam. So this from 9, this from 9 and this from 10. So 655. Here is your answer. Now how can we make it quite shorter? Let me show you. 345 into 999. So have you seen? Let me take one more example, then it will be quite more clear. 76 into 99. What we will do here? What is the extra digit? It is again 0. So successor is 0 is 1. 76 minus 1 is 75. And then Nikhilam, which is 24. So in both these questions, what can we observe? Basically, in Vedic maths, this is the most important rule, which is called pattern recognition. I have written two sums. So what pattern you can see? When nines are equal, always we have to subtract 1, because the extra digit would always be 0. So successor of 0 is 1, because always we have to subtract the successor of this number. So always we have to subtract 1. So we have no need to assume this 0. That I will show you over here. So what we have to do in this case, when nines are equal, just drop down by 1. Just reduce 1 from here, because always we have seen we are subtracting 1. So now we have no need to put circle or write an additional digit 0. What we have to do? Just subtract 1 from here. So 344 and then Nikhilam 655. This is your answer. Now suppose that this number you have to multiply by 6 times 9, because it's a 6 digit number. So just subtract 1 from here. 3, 4, 4, 6, 5, 4. And then again we have to apply Nikhilam over here. So apply Nikhilam 6, 5, 5, 3, 4, 5. This is the answer. So you have seen number of digit doesn't matter over here. One, two more example, and then we will move to the third part of this multiplication by series of 9. When 9 is more, even when 9 is more and when 9 is equal, we are using the same rule. After seeing 2-3 example, it will be clear. So now let us take 3645 into 9999. So straight away we can write answer 446355. How can we write this much fast? Because just you have to subtract 1 from here. So these 3 digits we will copy as it is, and 5 when get reduced by 1, it will become 4, and then nihilum. When you apply nihilum in many of these methods, because square also you can find using this nihilum method, cubes also you can find. Cube means any number multiplied by 3 times, just like 98 into 98 into 98. Nobody can solve this within a line. This would be 941190. So everywhere we are using nihilum. So nihilum is so much of widely used, so that by just looking at the number you can write like this. This from 9, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5, and last from 10. Similarly here I have that. So now let us take a few more examples when 9s are equal. 675 into 999. So answer would be 1 less than 675 is 674, and then nihilum 325. Now suppose that this number multiplied by 6 times 9. Again subtract 1 from here, so 674324, and then nihilum in all these digits. 325675. This is the answer. So I hope this will also be clear. Now we are coming to the last one, when 9 is more. This concept is very simple. In this question only I am going to write 2 extra 9. So now when we will see 9 are 2, 4 and 6, whereas here the digits are 4 only. So 9 should be equal to this number. So how can we make it equal? By putting 2 zeros. Now both are equal. So now we can solve just like the previous question. Subtract 1 from here, so it will become 3644. You have no need to write this 0. But when we apply nihilum method over here, then you need to subtract this 0 from 9. That's why I have written 2 zeros over here. But while subtracting 1 from here, we are not considering this. But when we apply nihilum method, so in all these 6 digits, so the first 5 digits we will subtract from 9 and last one from 10. So this will be 996355. This is your answer. So we have seen when whether 9 is more or less or even equal, we can easily solve all these questions. Let us take one more example. 764 into 9999. There are 4 9s. So here there should be a 4-digit number. So how can we make it a 4-digit number? By putting a 0 towards left. Now again subtract 1 from here, so 763, and then nihilum. So 9236. This is the answer. So these were the methods which we were covering in today's session. So I hope all these methods would be clear, because I have given ample of examples, because I personally believe that as many questions you will solve, your concept would be clear accordingly. So
Absolutely, absolutely. Naveen ji, yeah. You got cut off. If you can just finish it off. Last line got cut.
okay.
You were
No,
saying
no, no. I was just showing that whatever is the number, whether 9 is equal or less or more, you can easily solve. Then the multiplication by 11 or triple one, or even using this method they can solve when they have to multiply by 4 times 1 also.
Absolutely, absolutely. It was fabulous, Naveen ji. I'll just say the people. Okay, 1 second. Any question
One
from?
more demonstration I would like to show you. You just tell me a 2 or 3 digit number.
Yeah. ये बहुत आता है आपके लिए। हिंदी में जरा बताइए सर। ओके,
ठीक है, ठीक है,
नेक्स्ट टाइम हमें 50-50 कर देंगे भाई।
ठीक है, ठीक है।
चिंता मत करो। ओके, मुझे पहले भी बोले थे लोग ने।
अभी जैसे एक आप कोई भी 3 डिजिट का नंबर बोलिए, मैं आपको बताता हूँ ओरली हम लोग कितना फास्ट इसको कर सकते हैं। यू जस्ट टेल मी अ 3 डिजिट नंबर। आई एम राइटिंग हियर
284
284। आंसर वुड बी 283716।
वो कैसा हुआ है? ये 284 में एक माइनस हो गया।
हाँ, इसमें क्या होता है, यहाँ से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, 284 माइनस 1 283, और फिर निखिलम क्या होता है, इसको 9 से, इसको 9 से, इसको 10 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 8 is 1, 10 minus 4 is 6। तो
Yeah.
मैं केवल ये शो कर रहा था कि जब आपको आ जाता है तो इवन यू डोंट नीड पेन और पेपर, ओरली यू कैन से व्हाट इज द आंसर।
बिल्कुल, आप इसमें एक माइनस किए सीधा, बिकॉज ये दोनों का एक ही डिजिट्स है, मतलब 3 है। अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो उधर सर्कल करते हैं, जैसा आप देख सकते हैं।
अगर 9 कम होता है तो सर्कल करते हैं, अगर 9 ज्यादा होता है तो 0 लगा देते हैं।
0 लगा लेते हैं, जितना ज्यादा है उसके हिसाब से 0 लगा लें। ओके भाई, हम नेक्स्ट टाइम करेंगे, मगर आपको अभी समझ में आ चुका होगा। ओके, बिल्कुल हम बात करेंगे नेक्स्ट टाइम, 50-50 में कर देंगे। ओके, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। मगर दोस्तों, ये जो है, ये वीडियो को दोबारा देखें, और देख के दोस्तों इसका होमवर्क दिया जाएगा, आप इसको करें पूरा, जैसा नवीन भार्गवा सर ने बताए कि आपको इसका पूरा होमवर्क मिलेगा। दोस्तों, हर वीडियो के नीचे कमेंट किए करके दिया जाता है लिंक, आप जाके टेस्ट ले सकेंगे। इसको वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स चैलेंज बोलते हैं। इट्स कॉल्ड एज वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स चैलेंज। नाउ द सेकंड लेसन, दिस इज द थर्ड लेसन। दूसरा लेसन के लिए अभी रिलीज होने वाला है। ओके, इसलिए आप जरूर जाके देखें। आपको अगर मिलना है तो आपको करेक्ट करना है, बताना है, फीडबैक देना है, तो प्लीज मेक श्योर टू रजिस्टर। ओके, अपना जो रजिस्ट्रेशन का व्हाट्सएप नंबर है, इधर रजिस्टर करें। ये फ्री रजिस्ट्रेशन है। रजिस्टर करने के बाद आपको पूरा करेक्शन होगा, कोई सवाल है तो आंसर होगा, सब होगा। व्हाट्सएप के द्वारा हम आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। यूट्यूब में भी आप कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं। दोस्तों, ये बहुत बढ़िया चीज है। थैंक यू नवीन सर फॉर कमिंग हियर एंड टीचिंग। इट मीन्स रियली अ लॉट। You don't know how many kids are benefiting from this, and बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है अपने बच्चों के लिए। बहुत धन्यवाद। ओके दोस्तों, आप भी बताएं, नवीन जी को थैंक्स बताएं, उनका परिवार के लिए प्रे कर लें। ओके, अच्छा हो जाए, क्योंकि ऐसा कोई भी हमें नहीं करेंगे। आके अपने टाइम लेके, इतना सक्सेसफुल आदमी इधर आके अपने टाइम लेके हमें सिखाते हैं। ये कोई आप साधारण लेना नहीं चाहिए। ये मेरा आपसे विनती है। ओके, दोबारा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेंगे दोस्तों। हर मंडे को होता है। इस बार रक्षाबंधन के वजह से जरा सा एडजस्टमेंट हुआ था, नहीं तो मंडे का 8 बजे भारत का टाइम, 10:30 बजे टोरंटो टाइम पे ये होता है। ओके, हम मिलेंगे दोबारा, और तब तक के लिए जय श्री राम। नवीन जी बहुत धन्यवाद। जय श्री राम।
जय श्री राम।